Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to remove background color from a photo on iPhone. If you're using an iPhone and you want to remove background from your photos, let's see how can you do that. You have to simply open your Photos app, and here you will get all of your photos. Now you just have to select the photo from which you want to remove background. So for example, I'm going to remove background of this photo. You can see there's a hand, and now I'm going to remove its background. Now to do that, you have a simple way. You just have to keep a long press only on the object. So in my case, I have my hand here, so just keep a long press on it. And here you can see you can move this one. Now using your second finger or your second hand, you just have to exit from your photos from here. So once I've exited, you just have to release it on your empty place. And you can see we have a new photo without any background here. So you can see here's the original photo with its background, and here's the new photo with have no any background. So in this way, you can easily remove background from a photo on your iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.